Hi guys, I'm starting this tutorial off with already slightly green hands because I did another tutorial just now and I used a reusable mold putty, and then I thought, well, it makes sense to actually do a quick tutorial showing how you can use it. So this has gone into the microwave. It says 15 seconds, but I find I have to do 22 to get it to the right thickness. And once it goes hard, it'll stay in whatever mold you set it, and then when you want to change it, you just put it back in the microwave. So here's one that I've already done. That was from this necklace. I've already done that, and I added a few more dots and that to that one, which is what I use in the next tutorial. So let me just have a quick. Don't want to let it get too cold. There's like it'll go for a minute or two. It's great. Now I am using a texture I haven't used before, so I'm hoping this will show. I'm just gonna try this pendant. Okay, same both sides, yeah. So I'm just going to try this pendant, and I'm just taking it down to the surface level on this one. Then I can actually use it as a mold. Okay, and then when I'm happy it's even, I can just lift it up and there's your mold. Now that's going to go hard. It's small. That's going to go hard pretty quickly. I'm just going to cut around it and let that cool, and then I've got a nice little mold. So it is actually that simple. So this was just a very quick tutorial, it was easier to show you than try to explain. And then now if I want to, just to make this a little bit more interesting, I can find myself some tools. I just use this, my trusty old, and I'm just going to add a bit more pattern around the edge before it goes hard, just to make it a bit more interesting if I do decide to use it in one like I did with my other one. You know, if you want to keep it more mold, don't do this, but as in cabochon, if you know what I mean, where you're inserting it. But I want to make it a little bit more interesting. I don't think I can fix that, but I can hopefully mess around. I'm just going to take that back. There we go. And I'll give that 10 minutes. And then I can show you the mould completed. So now I'm just going to put this into the freezer for 15 minutes. I've just read the instructions and realised I'd forgotten that bit, because I think I just left them to go over time. And this is called Impressive Putty Food Safe Reusable Mold Making Putty. I got it on eBay, and literally now when I finish with the rest, it just goes in this bag till next time, and then I can just use it again. Okay, so I will come back and just show you an imprint. Okay, so it's out of the oven, out of the freezer. And they're really bendy, and you know, you can do anything with it, and I really like it. It keeps a kind of a very slightly oily residue, which then means you don't have to use anything when you're embedding it. So I just did a really quick impression on there, so it just gives you an idea how it works. But what interested me as well was I've got this necklace, and I thought, oh, I wonder what would happen with that, and the flower's raised and widens, and I thought, oh, that'll never work. But I thought I'll take an imprint anyway, so I did that, and I've just had a go, and it's done it. So yeah, it's interesting stuff. So anyway, now I'm off to finish off the second tutorial, because I came to do this when I realised it might be a good idea. Okay, so I hope you found that interesting. Okay, bye.